Hey traders, Neiro is picking up momentum, up 25% in the last 24 hours, now trading around $0.00011 with strong volume coming in. So the big question, Warren, is this real bullish momentum or just another trap? A steady rise with increasing volume can signal growing interest and potential continuation. If buyers keep stepping in, Neiro could build a stronger uptrend from here. But keep in mind, even a 25% move can attract short-term traders looking to cash out. If that happens, we might see a quick pullback. The smart move, watch how price reacts around key support zones. If it holds and consolidates, momentum could continue. If it starts breaking down, this may just be a temporary spike. Don't chase the move, wait for confirmation. Stay patient, stay smart. I've just shared some premium trading signals on my Patreon, including key support zones and realistic target levels you don't want to miss. If you're new, there's also a starter plan for just $10, a simple way to test things out. And if you've got a chart you want analyzed, just DM me anytime, happy to take a look. Check the link below for full details, and let's grow together. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.